Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope so that you all will be fine. As you know that we are on chapter number 1 part B. This is a poem. Its title is Robin. And we have completed its reading with translation and its vocabulary. And the exercise A part, understanding the poem. Today we are going to do its part B. Now look at part B. It is working with words. This is page number 12. And the first one statement is write opposites for these words. You will find a few of them in the poem. So students, first of all, I will let you know that what a word opposite mean. A word that expresses a meaning opposed to the meaning of another word is called opposite word. So look at this. Here an exercise is given and you have to write down the opposite word of these words. The first one is A, never, and the opposite of never is always. B part, no one, and the opposite of no one is everyone. Part C, quickly, and the opposite of quickly is slowly. Part D, liked, and the opposite of liked is hated or disliked. Now take a look of E part. Friend. The opposite of friend is foe or animal. Both are synonyms. F part. Went, came. G part. Come, and the opposite of come is go. H part. Foolish, and the opposite of foolish is clever. I think so this is quite clear to you now. Now move towards the next one part. Part 2. Match the following and use them in sentences of your own. Here an example is given, as dry as a bone. This is a comparison of two words and we use as by giving a comparison to both different words. So you have to solve this exercise. Here two lists are given, A and B, and you have to complete the comparisons first and then you have to write down the sentences on your notebook. So take a look. A part, as dark. We have to match as dark as night because night is also dark and we give comparison of night with the darkness. B part, as good as gold. As you know that gold is a precious thing and you can compare gold with the goodness, as good as gold. Sweet, as sweet as honey. As you know that honey is very sweet and sweet things are also sweet, so we can compare sweet with the honey. As hardworking as a donkey. As you know that donkey is a very hardworking animal. He do a lot of activities which are very boring also, but he continuously do that work. So we can give the comparison of hard working with the donkey. Now you have to write down the sentences of these phrases on your notebook. I have prepared some sentences. You can copy that sentences as well or you have to make your own sentences. It's up to your choice. Now students, look at this on the notebook. First of all, you have to ready your sketch on notebook and you have to write down the statement, use in sentences of your own. It is working with words and then phrases and sentences. Look at the first one, as dark as night. It is as dark as night in this room. Number 2, as good as gold. They were in the playroom as good as gold, as sweet as honey. On the tree, the fruits were as sweet as honey. Part 4. As hardworking as a donkey. Ali was as hardworking as a donkey during exams. So, these all are sentences, and I think so it's quite clear to you in a good way. I think so it's quite clear to you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.